Americans can vote in federal, state, and municipal elections if they are citizens and of voting age. But the issue of how to register to vote in Mississippi raises a question. This video will provide the answer to that query and all the advice required to cast a vote in Mississippi effectively. Please subscribe to this channel and press the like button on this video before we get started. Let's begin. Who can register to vote? You must meet the following requirements to register in Mississippi. 30 days before the election you wish to vote in, you must have resided in Mississippi and your county, and city if applicable. By the time of the general election you wish to vote in, you must be 18. You must not have been convicted in a Mississippi court of voter fraud, arson, armed robbery, bigamy, bribery, carjacking, embezzlement, extortion, felony bad check, felony shoplifting, forgery, theft, murder, obtaining money or goods under false pretense, perjury, rape, receiving stolen property, robbery, statutory rape, theft, timber larceny, unless you have been pardoned, had rights of citizenship restored by the governor, or had suffrage restored by the legislature, not having been found intellectually incompetent by a court. Can registration forms be submitted by mail? Use the National Voter Registration Form to register to vote. Fill out and print the National Voter Registration Form. Box 6, ID number. You must submit your current and valid Mississippi driver's license number or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number if you do not have one. Suppose you need a Mississippi driver's license or Social Security number. In that case, you must include a copy of a current and valid photo ID and a recent utility bill, bank statement, government check, paycheck, or another government document that shows your name and address with your application. Box 7. Party registration. Mississippi does not need you to register with a party to vote in partisan primary elections. Box 8. Ethnic or racial group. Leave the field empty. This information is optional. Please sign the form. Please fill out the form and return it to your local election office. Suppose you are registering to vote for the first time in your jurisdiction and are sending this registration application. In that case, you must present evidence of identity the first time you vote under federal law. A recent and valid picture identification is acceptable as proof of identification. A recent utility bill, bank statement, government check, paycheck, or government document displaying your name and address. Can registration forms be submitted in person? In addition, you can register to vote in person. Contact your local election office for information on when and where to register to vote. Visit the Mississippi Secretary of State's website for further information, or contact your local election office. Which election office should you contact? Your local election office administers elections in Mississippi. They can assist you with inquiries concerning voter registration, voting by mail, and municipal elections. In Mississippi, the Secretary of State controls elections and election administration. They can assist you if you have questions regarding voting in your state, election security, or problems at the polls. If you are concerned about voter intimidation, please get in touch. In this video, we have discussed how to cast a ballot in Mississippi, both in person and by mail. We have also provided you with information on the appropriate channels to use if you have any issues or complaints regarding the voting process. Kindly keep all these steps in mind, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Before you go, if you still need to do so, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.